Hello, thank you for joining us. Today I'd like to share something a little bit more lighthearted, and that is my favorite tip to use when you're using cloud-based software, whether it's accounting software or some other cloud-based software. I use cloud-based software hours and hours every week, and this is my favorite tip of all time. So let me show you the problem. I'll just share my screen here for you. This is the Xero demo company. When you want to look at when you want to drill into transactions in a cloud-based software, this is what happens normally. So if I go to a list here, click on a list of transactions that I want to look at. Now say I want to drill into this first one, so I click on it, I drill into it, I might drill into this payment screen. Okay, I've go and drill into the invoice. Then I've seen what I want to see, but now I want to go back to my original list. So I've either got to now click backwards several times or go back to the beginning of the process and run my whole report again to look at the next transaction. Now the tip is this: hold down your control key before you click. So I'm now holding down my control key. I click on the same transaction. You see what happens? It opens it up in a new tab. So I can then review that and then come back to my list. Now I can go down my list here. I'm holding down the control key while I'm tapping these. And you can see as I'm clicking them, it's opening each one up in a new tab. So I can do my review first, find out what I want to check, control click. Then I can go and review all the transactions. And as I'm reviewing them, I can just close them down. Then I can go back to my original list and I haven't lost my place. And when you're checking a bunch of transactions, that can save a stack of time, and also your thought process from jumping from one thing to another and then trying to go back to where you were can be frustrating, and this saves that as well. So you might have known this 20 years ago, and if you did, I'm happy for you. I only found out a few years ago, and it saved me a bunch of time. So I hope you find it as helpful as I did. Have a great day. Thank you.